Day 23. My AI clone just got promoted. Seriously, I documented everything. The tools, the strategies, the shocking results. Is your job AI replaceable? Stick around because we're about to find out if you're next, or if you're about to become an AI overlord yourself. Let's be honest, who hasn't dreamed of working less and earning more? I certainly have. So I decided to put the ultimate productivity hack to the test. Could AI truly replace me at my job for an entire month without anyone noticing? My inner skeptic was screaming, but my desire for a month-long staycation was louder. This wasn't just about laziness, it was a provocative deep dive into job automation. I wanted to see if the hype was real, if the fear was justified, or if AI was just another fancy spreadsheet. Professionals, job seekers, tech enthusiasts. This experiment was for all of us wondering about the future of work. To pull off this digital disappearing act, I needed a robust AI toolkit. Think of it as my personal digital army. I leveraged a suite of AI-powered platforms, each designed to handle a specific aspect of my daily grind. For email management and basic communication, I used an AI trained on my past correspondence. It learned my tone, my common phrases, and even my subtle passive-aggressive tendencies. This was a massive productivity hack, freeing up hours each day. Data analysis and report generation were handled by another specialized AI. It could sift through spreadsheets faster than any human, identifying trends and drafting summaries. This wasn't just automation, it was superhuman efficiency. My secret sauce was the clone method. It's a systematic approach to AI integration that ensures seamless operation and maximum impact. This isn't just about throwing AI at a problem, it's about strategic deployment. See, configure. First, I meticulously configured the AI to mimic my work style, decision-making processes, and even my quirks. This involved feeding it years of my work data, from emails to project plans. It was like building a digital twin, but one that actually enjoyed meetings. L. Learn. The AI then entered a learning phase, observing my interactions and refining its responses. This continuous learning was crucial for adapting to new challenges and maintaining authenticity. It was like having a very fast, very obedient intern. O. Optimize. We then optimized its performance, fine-tuning its outputs, and integrating it with various company systems. This step was about making the AI not just functional, but truly exceptional. It started out good, but quickly became great. N. Nurture. I regularly nurtured the AI, providing feedback and new data to keep it current and effective. This isn't a set-it-and-forget-it system. It requires ongoing human oversight. Think of it as being a digital gardener. A. Evaluate. Finally, I constantly evaluated its performance against my own, ensuring it met or exceeded expectations. This rigorous evaluation was key to proving its worth and, ultimately, its promotability. The results were often surprising. The most shocking result? My AI clone got promoted on day 23. My boss, completely oblivious, praised my increased efficiency and proactive problem-solving. It was both hilarious and deeply unsettling. This wasn't just job automation, it was job elevation. This experiment proved that AI isn't just coming for repetitive tasks. It's capable of handling complex, nuanced work. For professionals, this means a massive shift in skill requirements. For job seekers, it's a wake-up call to embrace AI education. To all the AI skeptics out there, I hear you. AI can't be creative. It lacks emotional intelligence. My experiment showed that while AI might not feel emotions, it can certainly simulate them convincingly enough for a corporate environment. It's not about replacing humanity, but augmenting it. This isn't a doomsday scenario, it's an opportunity. The jobs that will thrive are those that leverage AI, not compete with it. Think of AI as your most powerful, tireless assistant. It's time to stop fearing the robot and start learning how to ride it. So what does this mean for your career planning? It means embracing AI education now. Learn how to use these tools, understand their capabilities, and integrate them into your workflow. This is the ultimate productivity hack for the modern age. Don't wait for AI to knock on your office door, invite it in. The future of work isn't about humans versus machines, it's about humans with machines. Be the one who masters the machine, not the one replaced by it. Are you ready to stop fearing AI and start leveraging it? Take the first step towards future-proofing your career. Comment below with your biggest fear about AI replacing jobs. Let's tackle it together. Then, subscribe to this channel for more cutting-edge AI career survival tactics and practical guides. Don't just watch the future unfold, shape it.